Wow, what's this? This is a 75-inch all-in-one smart whiteboard. Comes with ultra-thin bezels, dual color casing, 2 magnetic stylus storage space, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and a variety of connections to cover all your needs.
Sounds cool. May I?
Try it? Of course. By the way, we designed 2 handles so you can bring it around easily.
Wow, that's so thoughtful of you.
Hey, why is it so dark in here?
I'm afraid I can't see the screen in the break room.
Don't worry about that. Our screen is made of clear A-grade OC material with peak brightness up to 500 nits, and it can automatically adjust brightness according to the ambient light it's in.
Wow, that's nice. Let's go straight to the meeting.
Hey
Hello.
there, can you hear
Hey,
me?
how are you?
Wow, it sounds great.
Of course. Our speakers are made to fit into all kinds of scenarios. No matter how big your room is, you still hear it loud and clear.
So I have a document here. How can I...
Connect? We have eShare, which is the best screencast app out there. You can connect and share easily using your phone, iPad, and laptop. Or you can try mirroring our screen into your phone.
Ooh, nice.
Different forms of interactive experience, allowing your creative and innovative thought to be free of limitations. No matter what devices you're using, where you are, online, offline, or even while teaching.
Wait, you said teaching?
Yeah, we help you complete different teaching tasks.
Okay, let me try. So where shall we start?
You can write like this. Draw whatever, or combine it all. So, are you ready? Let's get ready for a 5 minutes exam.
So how can I share it to my students?
It's simple. Just scan the QR code and you can take it anywhere you go.
Amazing. It really is made for office and kitchen work. But are there more?
Of course, we have both Windows and Android systems installed, bringing all the advanced softwares you need. HKMLC creates an immersive, interactive experience and stimulates collaborative innovation capabilities, creating a smart whiteboard that is more suitable for meetings and teaching needs. HKMLC, a place where visions come true.